Hi, this is Joe Stuckey, CTO at SalesCentric. In this training video, we're going to talk about the CRM attributes that you can bring on to a actor and how that can be done very easily. So we're working with a contact actor, Doug Ward, and we're on a contact relationship chart type. So let's look at how we can change those things. I'm going to go into the uh, settings portion to enable to go to the relationship charts administration. And again, we're on a contact chart. We're going to go to the actor CRM entities and the contact with Doug Ward, and we're going to look at the CRM-based attributes. So let's bring up the relationship chart for Doug Ward and bring this over, and I want to show you a couple of things that you'll see. Notice that all of these, there's many fields here, and we're able to sparse them out through the various actor cards. But most of the things that we're going to look at are, for this video, are straight here on the front, and it defaults to the general tab, which is the front tab that we have. Okay. So let's look at first how icons and fields are displayed. So we're going to use the email address as an example. And let me just bring this over just a tad. The email address you can see is an icon in text, and what that means is that along with the name of the that's in the field, the contents of the field, we'll be able to put an icon on there. And I do that straight by if the icon's set or undefined, I'm using in this case the same icon. But maybe I just want to have that as text only. I can certainly do that. And when I save that and I'll regenerate this, you'll see that it loses the icon. And then if I have a situation where I just want the icon only, I can do that. And again, it brings the icon only. So remember that if I do make it icon only, then it is what it does is it says that I want that information, that field, to show up at the bottom of the actor card, and no matter which card I'm on, it maintains itself at the bottom. Okay. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and close those. That's something that will save us some room. Let's go into the telephone number. We'll see that that's also icon and text, and we're going to change that to an icon. And we're going to do it for mobile phone also. And you can see when we refresh that, now we've got 3 icons down, and it's cleared that off quite a bit. Now there are many, as you know, many fields already associated from the contact schema, and the CRM-based attributes is bringing fields from the contact table only. And what we're doing is we're just looking at these from that specific entity. Watch another video on bringing linked entities. We'll talk about how we can bring one away. But let's add one real quick. And maybe the situation we're going to add here is just the first name. So you can see when the schema name for the field, we're just going to page through here and look for first name. And I'm going to make that an icon in text. Okay, and I'm going to choose an icon from the icon library. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose the new icon for that. And if there's no information, so if the field is blank, I can have another icon that shows up. So I'm going to do that, and let's look and see how that looks now. You can see Doug is there with the icon, and if we clear that field out, we can see how that looks now. Let's refresh. Here you go. And you can see it's got the minus sign. So that's a really handy thing if you have critical information that you want users to be able to see that something's gone awry, there's information that needs to be filled in, and it's not a required field. You can point those things out. Okay, That's the end of this video, training video. It's on bringing information in from the entity that the card is for, the actor card is for. Watch other videos to talk about bringing other information in. Okay? Thanks a lot.